Auntie. Musta na? Daya mo? Umuwi ako rito, wala ka pala. Punta ka ng Dubai. Kita mo si Sarah. Pero, okay lang. Wala lang. I just want to greet you a happy 70th birthday. Yan. Although na wala ako dyan sa birthday mo, pero I always wish you all the best. Siyempre, good health. Lagi naman. And then, alam mo naman kung gaano kita ka-love. Diba? Your favorite pamangkin. Ngayon, di ako marunong sa speech pero yeah, gusto lang kita i-greet na happy birthday. I love you, Auntie. You know naman na I'm always here for you. Kahit anong mangyari. I'm just one call away. Kahit nasa Hong Kong ako, nasa Dubai ka, pwede mo ako tawagan. I'm always here for you. So, enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit. Love you. See you soon.
Hi, Mami Glo. Hi, Mami Kate. Hi, Daddy Alvin. Hi, Kael. Hi, Kylie. We miss you so much. Happy birthday po, Mami Glo. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo dyan. At ang wish lang po namin is always good health. At sana marami pa po kayong birthday na i-celebrate kasama po ang family. Enjoy ang Dubai po again. We miss you po. We miss you so much all. Take care. Kuya.
Happy birthday po, Mami Glo. I miss you po dyan. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Dubai. Love na love namin po kayo. God bless po.
Bye! Sing happy birthday nga. Can you sing? Can we sing happy birthday? Dali na! You better than me. Go! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mami Glo! Happy 70th birthday po! Ingat!
Happy birthday, Mami Glo! Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa buhay mo. Bigyan ka ng malakas ng pangatawan at maayos na kalusugan. Enjoy your special day! Love you!
Happy birthday, Mami Glo! Happy birthday, Mami Glo! Say happy birthday, Mami Glo! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
We love you!
Tita Glo, happy birthday po. Wishing you more birthdays to come. God bless. Ingat po parate. Enjoy life lang po. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Mami Glo. Happy 70th birthday.
Happy birthday po.
See, happy birthday ka.
Happy birthday!
Ingat palagi, Mami. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mami! Happy birthday! Kakauwi ko lang from work. Yun. Size 12. Pag-uwi nyo. Joke lang.
Hi, Nanay Egwa. Happy birthday. Long life lang always. God bless. Ingat ka dyan. See you soon.
Mi! Dito ko na sa Dubai, hindi pa tayo nagkikita. Pero birthday mo, di ba? Oh, happy birthday. See you soon. Sunday. Nice day. See you soon. Bye-bye. Love you. Ingat palagi.
Wow, happy birthday. God bless. We miss you. Mwah. Happy birthday, Mami Glo. Good health. You have more birthdays to come. Love you.
Hi, sister. Miss you. Happy birthday.
hope you enjoy your birthday with our family. With Sarah, the bunso. Ito si si Ses.
Happy birthday, Tita! How are you? Ingat kayo lagi. See you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, Mami Glo.
May all your dreams comes true. Manalo ka na sana sa loto.
Happy birthday, Mami Glo.
More happiness and good health.
Ingat kayo lahat dyan.
Happy
Love
birthday!
you. Happy
Love
birthday.
Birthday, Tita Glo! Have more birthdays to come. And sana po maging healthy kayo. Anong sasabihin pa?
Ano?
And stay healthy and strong po. Take care. God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ikwa. I love you. And can I give you a gift? And we're going to Festival City. I love you so much. Mwah.
Thank you for taking care of us, Ikwa.
Ikwa.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We're gonna give you a gift on your birthday.
On your birthday.
We're also going outside
Outside.
in Dubai Festival
Dubai.
City.
Festival City.
Thank you for loving me. and
Thank you
Kylie.
for loving me.
Stay
And what-
safe.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. I love you,
Stay
Ikwa.
safe. I love you, Ikwa. Going to Festival City.
We're going to Festival
Kenya.
City. Oh, machupu.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. God bless and good health po para sa inyo. Sana happy ka ngayong 70th birthday mo. Enjoy your day. Mua-mua. Chup-chup.
Happy birthday, Ekwa! 70 ka na. Huwag na matigas ang ulo. Happy
70.
birthday sa'yo. And
70
happy
ka
ako
na.
kasi dito ka nag-birthday sa Dubai. Kasama kami.
Kasama kami.
Sana hindi ka sad kasi 70 ka. And,
70 ka.
and
Love you.
wish namin good
Wish
health.
namin.
Always.
Always.
Huwag na matigas ang ulo.
Yeah.
Sunod na.
Ano going to?
Sana lagi kang maging happy and
Birthday!
matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo. Happy birthday ulit. Pasensya ka na. Ito lang nakayanan. Happy birthday,
Salamat.
Ewa.
Happy birthday,
I love you.
Ewa. Love you.